In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message sent to Yahoo. Let's dive in and make sure your sent emails folder is just as tidy as the rest of your inbox. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Yahoo login page. Here, you'll be greeted by a familiar interface where your journey begins. Enter your Yahoo email address into the provided field. It's crucial to double-check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once you've typed in your complete email address, you can proceed by clicking the Next button. Now, it's time to enter your password. Carefully type it in, ensuring that the caps lock is off and everything is exactly as it should be. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so any small mistake might lead to an error. Once you're sure, hit Next once more to proceed. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into your Yahoo account. Now, look towards the left panel of the Yahoo Mail interface. Here, you'll notice various folders including Inbox, Drafts, and Sent. You're going to want to click on Sent, as this is where all your sent messages are stored. Now that you're in the Sent section, it's time to identify the messages you wish to delete. To do this, simply check the boxes next to the respective emails. Yahoo Mail makes it particularly convenient by allowing you to select multiple messages if you want to get rid of several at once. This can be a real time saver. Once all the emails you want to delete are selected, look for the delete icon, usually found at the top of the page. Go ahead and click this icon to set the deletion process in motion. Yahoo might prompt you with a confirmation message as a safety check to ensure you are perfectly sure about deleting these messages. If prompted, you'll need to click OK to finalize the delete action. And just like that, the unwanted messages are successfully sent to the trash. This process not only frees up space in your sent folder but also helps maintain an organized email account. One last thing to keep in mind, once items are moved to trash, you may want to empty the trash folder as well to permanently delete them. This ensures that those messages are completely removed from your account and no longer take up any unnecessary space. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently delete sent messages in Yahoo Mail. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to declutter your sent emails, and your Yahoo account will remain in top-notch condition. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more practical tips and tricks.